guys, so here is a little overview of some of the decor items I hope to incorporate. Sorry, my dog's crying because he can't, I'm sitting on the couch and he wants to be on the couch. But a lot of neutral pieces, wood tones, and whites, you know, those are my favorite. That's what I always like to go for. It's just classic. And I have a few new things, and then most of this is stuff that I've already had, and I'm just going to try to incorporate this. Some of my house is already decorated, as you've seen in my previous video, and I will link that down below if you guys haven't seen that one yet. But yeah, we're just going to go through the house and see what we can do to make it feel a little more neutral, a little more cozy and homey. So I hope you guys are excited. Okay guys, so we're starting off in the living room as usual. I'm going to be putting up some new greenery. I'm kind of doing a little bit of what I did for my fall as far as greenery, but all of my fall greenery was packed up in the attic. So I got some different greenery down that I've had, and it's just like a really flowy, drapey greenery. It's very popular on YouTube. A lot of like home influencers have it, but I just love the way it looks. The only thing is we turned our fireplace on and I forgot to like move it up, and it will melt it. So if you actually use your fireplace, I wouldn't suggest using this kind of greenery. So we just kind of push it back up in there so it doesn't all melt off.
But I don't know if I should make a move, 'cause I may never come back here, and I may never see you again. But I won't forget that ocean blue. Your ocean.
Something I like to do is just switch up pieces from my bedroom into the living room just to kind of give it a different vibe. So I'm using this tray that was previously in my bedroom that I got at Kirkland's a while ago, and I'm putting my Homebody book by Joanna Gaines and my Cozy White Cottage by Liz Marie Galvin in it, and then I'm putting a faux plant from Target, and then it'll give us a nice space to store all of our remotes on the coffee table. Again, keeping it really simple for on the dining table, I added a white pitcher that I have from Hobby Lobby and put some faux eucalyptus in it, and just put my little salt and pepper shakers on my Lazy Susan. I love to keep things, again, super neutral, so I'm taking the candle label off this Bath & Body Works candle just so it's got none of that red showing, and adding that back to my hutch. So my hutch is always a struggle because it's so, I like want to decorate it so perfectly, but I ended up doing a lot of whites. Obviously, you guys know how I am about my whites, but I feel like for January, it's just really nice to have those nice neutral whites, and then I incorporate some green. So I'm using these plates that my mom gave me that are actually like, I consider them like vintagey plates. I love them. They have really nice detail, and they're actually the plates that we used when I was growing up. So I'm glad I get to keep those and use them in my house now.
'Cause I may never come back here, and I may never see you again. But I won't forget that ocean blue. Your ocean blue.
I'm going to change out the decor that's on top of my hutch. I needed to add some more height to this area. We have very tall ceilings in this house, and it's kind of hard to tell within the frame, but I definitely wanted it to have some more height. So the cutting board that I'm using is from Hobby Lobby, and I tried it out like vertical and horizontal, but I felt like when it was horizontal then you could barely see it, but it's like super tall when I stand it up straight. But I just left it like that for now. I might end up changing it, but I tried to balance it out with like a tobacco basket and something else to add some more height. And then I'm adding another cutting board to the side of my hutch just to add in some more warmer wood tones. You guys have seen my decor for this area in my previous video, but I just want to show you again. I kept it really simple. A dough bowl with some wooden beads. I'm keeping my diffuser on my cake stand, and then I have like a picture of us and then a faux plant that's from TJ Maxx. So everybody on my Instagram has been raging about these like little letterboard things from the Target dollar spot. They're really cute. I don't know if I like where I put mine, but I ended up trying to do it with like the nails, but mine just would not look right, and then they kept falling forward because I didn't want to use big enough screws or nails to hang these up because I didn't know if this was going to be like a permanent thing. So I tried to do it with the nails, but then I ended up just using Velcro command hook strips, and I highly recommend that method if you just want to use these temporarily because that works so much better. You can barely see the Velcro strip. It blends in with my white wall, and that way I don't feel like I have to put a bunch of nails in my wall. So I'm going to add my letters, and I'm just adding in a saying from the Bible. It's just, we love because he first loved us. I thought that was very fitting for us going in towards Valentine's Day. Moving into the living room, I'm just going to give it a quick little refresh, pick up some of the stuff that's on the floor, straighten up the cushions, and I'm adding this really pretty white throw blanket from TJ Maxx. It's really textured up close, and I really like it on top of this couch.
Soft as that ocean blue, falling in, learn to swim like I never knew. I see it now, that everything will be okay. With no small doses, smell of roses.
And the last thing that's kind of like a home update or addition is this beautiful new French country style mirror that I recently got from Target. Again, it's been all over my social media, and when I saw it, I had to have it. It just fits the space so perfectly, and I just love this style of it, and it was so reasonably priced. So I'll link that for you guys down below too. I did want to share, I got new bar stools, and I am obsessed with them. They're from World Market, so I can link them down below for you guys. I got them on super good sale, and I just love the added texture and warmth it brings our kitchen. Here's an overview of everything. I love how it turned out. Our house feels so much cleaner and definitely more homey than it did without just like any of the decor. And once I took down all the Christmas, it felt kind of bare. So I just wanted to share this video with you guys to just show you how I'm decorating my house for this season until we go into spring. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of short and sweet, but I just want to share a little glimpse of how I decorate after Christmas. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you give me a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but it really helps out my channel if you guys subscribe to it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.